Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Kevin, and today I want to show you how to register for SHA. So for full transparency, I've already registered to some extent. There are some things that I still need to update. I'm like around 33%. So to register for SHA online, or go to SHA .co.ke or sha.co.ke, then this is the page that you'll see. The next thing you need to do is click register. So remember, when you click register, it takes you directly to afyayangu.co.ke. so either way you can use it. You can use afyayangu.co.ke to do the registration, right? So once you're here, the next thing, as you can see, it says here, register for universal healthcare, UHC and SHA with Afya Yangu. Proceed. So if you're new, if you're registering for the first time, select your ID. So you can either be a Kenyan, foreign resident, refugee, mandate number, or temporary ID. So for me, it's if you're Kenyan, just Kenyan, enter your ID number and your first name, and of course your phone number, then proceed. For me, as I mentioned earlier, I have already registered, so essentially I need to continue with the registration process. So let's sign in. So to sign in, just go to sign in. Choose the ID type, depending on whatever you chose when you were registering. Then you enter the number, then your PIN. So there is a PIN that you set up when you're registering. You need to enter it here, then click login. So if you've forgotten the PIN, just click reset, or if you don't have an account, of course, click sign up. So let's log in. They need to send an OTP to my phone. As you can see here, sometimes if you don't recognize this number, you can reset it. I'll link a video in the description showing you how to reset the phone number. So let me enter the OTP. Yes, as you can see, it says here 33% registration progress. So there's some information that I need to provide, like the basic information, contact, address, and of course confirm the details, and then of course maybe adding dependents, that's your spouse, you're married, your kids. Then the final step is the biometrics. So you need to visit your nearest registered agent for SHA, that's Social Health Authority. You need to bring your ID and of course application reference number to undergo biometric verification. So this is actually the final step. Continue, just click continue registration. And now, as you can see, these are my details, including the identification number, that's the ID number, date of birth, my last name, my place of birth, and everything. Now I need to upload, as you can see, some of the information I'm missing. So I need to upload my recent passport photo. So click here to select the file, choose gallery, then browse for passport photo, the most recent one. They will need the PIN for you to change that. Employment status, self-employed, of course if you're employed, choose employed, and everything else. Single, married, single, living with disability, no. Next, then the contact information, right? So you need to provide a phone number, postal address, division, district, location, and everything.
Life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. Then you declare that these are the correct information, then click submit. They will ask you again for your PIN, so make sure you remember. Essentially, that's it. That's how you register. So that's right about it, guys. If you like to support the channel, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more content like this one. Thank you.